All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at interacting and completing workbook pages that have been put into a Google Slides presentation. You're going to find that some of your reader's notebook pages and other pages are going to be put into a Slides presentation for you to fill out. First thing you want to make sure you're comfortable with is zooming in and out. When you open the document, the page is going to be very small. You're not going to be able to read it. So make sure you can use this button up here, the zoom button. You can click on it to zoom in. You can use the drop down arrow, zoom out. You can use view, zoom. There's a few different ways that you can zoom in and out. As far as interacting and completing the page, you may be asked to underline or circle a word or a phrase. You may also need to fill in a text box. So first, let's take a look at these, the top portion here. For 1 to 4, it says, read the complete sentences below, underline the simple subject, and circle the simple predicate. One way that you can underline and circle is using the scribble tool. So if you go up here to you would most likely see this line tool. Use the drop down arrow to open the scribble tool. So Frank delivered packages and mail to the school every day. Underline the simple subject. So Frank is going to be my simple subject here. So I underline Frank. It did not underline Frank. Underline Frank. There we go. Frank is underlined. And then it says to circle the simple predicate. My simple predicate would be delivered. So I'm going to circle delivered. Okay. Some pages may have preset circles for you that you would just drag and drop. So the package in the brown box was by far the heaviest. So the package in the brown box is my simple predicate. So I would circle was there by just dragging and dropping that. All right. Scrolling down, you may also have to enter text. So you'll see these text boxes here. It says read the complete sentences below, write the simple subject, and circle the simple predicate. Number 1, the early morning is a busy time for the school principal. So my simple subject I'm going to write by double clicking in this box is morning. And then circle the simple predicate. My simple predicate would be is. I'm going to use the scribble tool here, and I'm just going to circle is. And that's how you're going to interact with your reader's notebook pages.